everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. And for those of you that are part of the Fab Whining family, welcome back. My name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some products that I've had my eye on for a while that may have sold out and I didn't get it the first round. But now that the items are back in stock the second round, I was able to snag them and I'm able to do a review and let you all know whether or not these are good products to purchase. So the two products that I'm going to be talking about, if you haven't already read the title, are the Violet Voss Rainbow Palette. Now, I fell in love when I saw this palette online, and unfortunately it was sold out forever. And when it came back in stock, I was like, yes, I'm snagging one of those. Thank you very much, ma'am. So the Violet Voss palette costs $30 and it comes in 8 shades. It comes in Flamingo, Peach, Buttercup, Seaform, Fiji, Royal, Indigo, Violet, Pearl, and Eclipse. I also grabbed a product that I've had my eye on forever, and once they brought it to Sephora, I was like, yes, I will get it because Sephora has that flash 2-day shipping. Instead of, buying it from its website and paying like a $10 shipping fee, no ma'am, I was just going to buy it from Sephora. The first time I went to Sephora, it was sold out. So I went back and it was back in stock and I grabbed it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about,
it's a girl, Jackie O.
Here she is to let you know. Yes, so I got the Jackie Aina Artist Couture Color and LeBron's. So I'm going to be testing out these products to see what exactly the hype is that's been surrounding these products. And I'm going to see if these colors show up on my brown skin, aka Violet Voss, and to see what's good. So if you want to see what I think about these products, if they are black girl friendly, black girl approved, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. This is going to be the first time that I attempt to do this look. I honestly don't know what look I'm creating right now, but we're just gonna play with some of the colors. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is dip into that Seaform, and I am going to use that as my base transition color. Now, I do want to let you know all of these colors are metallic shimmery colors, so yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm going to sweep that color to the edge of my eye and to the center of my eye. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is dip into the color Royal, and I'm gonna put that right on the crease area and blend that out with the Seaform color. Now what I'm doing right now is kind of patting it in just so that I can really get the best payoff with this color. I find that when I pat it in, it's just easier to get that color to show up rather than actually just trying to swipe it across my eye. I'm also going to put it on the outer eye area. So I just decided to do a halo eye, and I'm just gonna add some of that blue to the inner corner of my eye. We're gonna go into the color Eclipse, and we're just gonna put that on the outer part of the eye as well as the inner part. And we're going to lightly just buff that into the rest of the colors. Next, I'm going to go into the color Buttercup, and I'm going to apply that to the center of my eye. And I do want to let you all know that my brush has been sprayed with Studio Fix, so make sure you do that. So I decided to use a different color on my right eye, which is your left eye. I decided to use Peach instead, just to zhuzh it up. So I'm just gonna fill in the inner corner of my tear duct, and I'm gonna use the same colors that I used on the inside of my eye to do the halo look. I'm actually going to use them on opposite sides. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my Japanese 725 brush and I'm going to dip into the color Violet, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyelids really softly. I'm actually going to take my Sigma short shader brush E20 and I'm going to dip back into Royal. I'm going to put that on the outer area of my eyelid as well as the inner part. Honestly, I'm just gonna cover the peach up because I'm deciding to do something else. I'm gonna connect that to the purple. I'm gonna do that on both eyes. I know right now it looks crazy, but hopefully if everything goes like I want it to go, this will come out the exact way I need it to. I'm gonna dip back into Buttercup and gonna halo that underneath the center of my bottom lid. Now that the eyes are done, starting to come together, I'm gonna dip into my Jackie Aina Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Le Bronze. And we're gonna see how hard Jackie snatches our wig today. Okay? So I'm literally just gonna pat that in. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. Can't believe I didn't get this sooner. My God. Jackie, what are you doing?
Check your style. Did your friends just come and hang out? To the bar and to the back. I just wanna touch you.
First of all, I'm gonna start off by giving my opinion on the Violet Voss Rainbow palette and letting you all know exactly what I think about it. The colors are absolutely gorgeous in the palette. They are awesome summer colors, and if you are looking for a summer palette that's colorful, that's going to give you some bold looks, I would highly suggest buying this palette, especially since it costs $30 and it literally has all of the colors that you will need to create a dramatic look. These colors were easy to work with, nice and vibrant, pigmented, and they showed up on my skin. That's the best thing about this palette, is they showed up on my skin. I didn't know that this palette would be all shimmery colors when I first bought it, and so when I saw it, I was just like, ugh, I don't know if this is gonna work out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to create a look. And once I started playing with these colors, I felt like I started getting a ton of ideas, and I was able to create this look that started off a hot mess, but then it ended up being something that I'm really proud of. I'm really proud of creating this look. Kudos to Violet Voss for proving me right. I really like this palette and I would highly recommend it. Now moving on to the Artist Couture / Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder and the color Le Bronze. If you were watching this video closely, you already know that I fell in love with this glow powder from the moment that I put it on my skin. Like, we are inseparable. This is my best friend. We are conjoined at the hips, and that's all I gotta say about this one. Would I recommend buying it? Absolutely. If you're a chocolate girl like myself, go out and support Jackie Aina and buy this Diamond Glow Powder, and I promise you, you will not regret it. I promise. Now, I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. If you found this video interesting, entertaining, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press this subscribe button. And if you are on social networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Musical.ly, Snapchat, please take the time out to search it, girl. Follow me. Let's connect. Let's be friends. Let's do the damn thing. Now, in the spirit of me, Crystal T, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.